In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TradingView to Bitget for seamless crypto trading, focusing on API key, passphrase, and permission setup. First, let's get started by logging into your Bitget account. If you're new to Bitget, you'll need to create an account by providing the necessary details like your email address and setting a secure password. Make sure to complete any additional verification steps, which might include email verification or two-factor authentication for added security. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the Bitget interface. Here, you should see an option labeled API Management. Click on that and you'll be taken to the API Settings page. This is where you can generate your API key and secret, which will allow you to connect Bitget to TradingView. You'll find an option to Create API Key on this page, so go ahead and click that. Now, you'll need to enter some information to identify your API key. A good practice is to use a descriptive name like TradingView Connection to easily remember its purpose. Next, you'll need to set up the permissions. Make sure to select the appropriate permissions that you'll need for your trading activities. Typically, you might want to enable permissions for trading and perhaps view permissions if you need them. Be cautious and only select the permissions that are absolutely necessary for your needs to maintain security. Also, make sure that your API key is restricted to your specific IP address or IP range if you have a static IP. This adds an extra layer of security by ensuring only authorized access. After setting the permissions, click on Confirm or Create, depending on what the button in your interface says. Bitget may require another round of verification, such as a two-factor authentication prompt or sending you a code on your email. Once you've verified and completed these steps, you'll receive an API key and a secret key. The secret key will only be shown once, so it's crucial to copy it somewhere secure. You can use a password manager for this purpose if you have one. Now that we have our API key and secret, let's move over to TradingView. In TradingView, you'll want to locate the bottom right corner of your chart screen. There's an icon that looks like a Pine script editor. Click on it and then find the trading panel. Here you'll find a list of supported brokers, including Bitget. Click on Bitget and there should be an option to connect. When prompted, enter your API key and secret that you generated from Bitget. If a passphrase is required and you weren't prompted to create one earlier, it means you're likely using an older API connection setup that doesn't require this step. Once you've entered these details, hit Connect, and you should now see a message confirming a successful connection. And there you have it. You've successfully connected TradingView to Bitget, allowing you to trade seamlessly. Remember, regularly review your API security settings to ensure your trading activity stays secure. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading.